Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Thursday, February 3rd, 2022. So if you look at the overall market like on the Tuesday video, so when the market put it back up, so I told you to watch out for the level of resistance here. So the market, when it hit it up to the upper down trend line, and then they get stuck there, and then they pull back today, as you can see, after Facebook are now earning, and then they drop, that pull the market down. However, in the last minute, you can see that market be able to find a way snap back after Amazon. They are now good earning, and the market probably to stabilize here. So tomorrow, if the market continue to put it up and break out the down trend line here, so we have a potential to bottom out at this level, and the market will find a way to put it back up to the upside, and then we will monitor next week to see how they are doing. So at this moment, the market, it look like they try to find a way to put it up to the upside. Okay, so in the short term here, we will see the market will continue to looking to put it up to break out this level here by tomorrow. And if you look at the Nasdaq, as you can see here, they get hit pretty hard after Facebook drop, and then now they try to find a way to hold up here. Probably by tomorrow, if Amazon is a good earning news there, they probably find a way to put it up again. Okay, and the Dow, it also pretty strong. They pull back. They get stuck at the downtrend line. So this line here will hold them up until we be able to break out here, and then the uptrend will resume to the upside again. If you look at the natural gas, it's also up and down here, but the overall trend is still bullish. Gold, it also sideways choppy in the rainbow here. So if they can clear that area here, they will get up there again. So basically, they just stay in the rainbow here and going nowhere. If you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin also find a support here, stabilize, come back, retest. If they can hold up at this level, we're looking forward to break out the downtrend line here and continue to the upside. So Ethereum, it also try to do the same thing here. So if they hold up here, and then they buy on hope support here, if they break out this level, they will continue to put it up again. Somebody asked me the question on the euro. So the euro, as you can see here, when some of subscribers they asked what happened to the euro. So I told him right here we are at the buy zone. So look at today, the last couple of days, the euro, the euro US dollar pair, they push it up and then break out downtrend line here. This is the bullish side for the euro and US dollar also. If you look at the let me see the volatility index, you can see that we are still in the high range. So the market, the wicket come back down and then they push it back up. The market it pull back down, but when they hit back here, it should seem like this is a strong level of resistance. If they can control them down, then definitely they will help the stock to move to the upside. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it also still in the high scale here. So they pull back, they still hang to the upside. So the inflation is still there, and the interest, the 10-year interest rate is still in the up scale here. Okay, so if they still hang up here, they will. The inflation is still in the high level there, so we have a lot of stock in the consumer stable. They still hang tight to the upside there. So now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the S&P 500, so you can see where we are. So first of all, look at the material sector. They have problem to break through the downtrend line here, so they pull back. Let's see if they can hold up. If they can clear it, downtrend line here in order for them to go higher. Otherwise, they come back, fill up the gap here, and then we need to see what exactly they want to do. they can come back here, retest, and break out in the future. The communication sector, XLC, it will have a big problem when they hit to the downtrend line here, especially when Facebook they are now bad earning. So this one they pull this sector very hard to the downside here. You can see here. Okay. However, they have some support here. Let's see they can hold on to this level. Okay, and rebound. Other than that, this sector will be in trouble. The energy sector is also a strong sector. As you can see that a lot of stuff that we mentioned, like ExxonMobil, they are put it back up, but a little bit extended here, so you should monitor carefully. PDX, okay, that's another strong PXD, okay, so that's another oil stock pretty strong there. Okay, but they are in the upper bound there, so you have to be more careful because they are kind of extended already. OXY, that's another energy sector, still pretty strong. Okay, and a lot for 5 days to shoot it up to the upside. The financial sector, it also try to hang on to the upside there, but a lot of stock in this sector like Visa, we keep mentioning it, they put it back to the upside. However, they have some resistance here, so you watch out for this level of resistance. If they cannot punch through it, they have to pull back before they can move higher. American Express, it also try to test the sell zone right there, and Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, another investment banker, they also try to test the sell zone here also. Okay, so a lot of them they move up, but they still have a trouble to punch through this area here. So we have to watch out carefully when they get up to this level there. Okay. Now let's take a look on the industrial sector. It still have some problem here. They couldn't go higher when they come back to the moving average here. They test, but they pull back down. So they need to pull back down before they can build some momentum before they can turn around. And if you look at the, let me see here, the UPS after have a good earning, they are to shoot it back up. Now they slow down a little bit. John Deere, that's another one. It's still sideways. It cannot punch through the downtrend line here. They still hold them up pretty tight. Okay, so they need to build some more momentum in order to break out. The XLK, which is the technology top, they fell at the downtrend line here, so they pull back. So let's see tomorrow any help from Amazon. This one it can turn around and find a way to get back and test the moving average here. Let me see here. So the IGV, let's see another sector that another stock they pulled back. They try to retest this area here, so they still have a problem to get through the downtrend line there. So they have to build a base here before they can turn around. So a lot of stuff like Apple, okay, still get stuck in this area here. So they probably pull back a little bit before they find a way to break out to the upside again. Microsoft, it also strong top, but they have a problem to get back here. So pull back, and then before they can make another high low, they may come back and retest this level here before they can turn around there. If you look at the XLP consumer table, it's still pretty strong as long as the inflation is still there. You see those stocks are still hang tight to the upside, like Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola. You know, those stocks are still rumble to the upside, as you can see here. MO, that's another one. This one here, they have some problem at the sell zone here, but GIS, it still hang tight to the upside. McDonald, it's also another strong stock, like up and down, but overall trend is still bullish. Procter Gamble, that's another one. It tried to clear up the resistance here. Okay, so the momentum is still hang tight to the upside. If they can clear this level of resistance, if they can punch through this level, it will be more bullish for the Procter Gamble also. All right, so overall, the market, you can see here, we are trying to stabilize at this level here. If tomorrow the market be able to push it back up, punch to the downtrend line, we will continue to the uptrend, okay, until they get back to the level of resistance here. And let's see how the market is going to react at this level there, and then we will update and let you know. So beside these stuff, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and the target so that you can follow. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then we will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.